Hello everyone, welcome to Dadi's Awesome Kitchen. Today we're going to make is uttapam. It's very easy, very simple and very healthy. So what I did, I took 2 cups of rice, basmati rice or regular rice, whatever rice you have, and 1 cup of is urd dal, is split like that in white. So 1 cup I soaked in water for a couple hours. So now I'm gonna do is I'm going to add salt in here to taste, like maybe 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to grind in here, make it sort of like a puree. You can make a less quantity, I mean if you like, but it depends how many people in your family. We are 5 here, so I make according to us. You can add some water as you need. Alright, so after grinding, that's how it look like. So I'm going to add some little bit more water. I want to see, you need the batter not too thick, not too thin, just like maybe a little thicker than dosa batter.
Yeah, try mixing.
Yeah, just a second. And you can add some black peppers, maybe half a teaspoon. Little bit red chilies, just a little bit at your taste, and that's about it. And you can add whatever you like. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil in here. I clean up as I go.
What oil did you use, Daddy?
As olive oil. You can use any oil. And let me move this out of the way, Arya. So I don't want a little bit more salt. You can salt to your taste. Move that out of the way. Now let me mix this.
Lots of colors.
Yeah, come on, mix this side, Isha.
I can
Careful.
I mix that?
Yeah, you can mix it. You can both mix it.
Wow.
Now the stove is getting ready.
It's a bit thick.
Yeah, you have to mix everything, right? I'll clean up here while you guys helping me.
It smells good.
Okay, Arya, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Alright, Arya, let me see. Let me check it, honey. If we need more water. Alright.
I did good, right?
You did very good, actually. You did better than me. Pretty soon you'll be the cook. Perfect cook. Yeah, alright. So, here we go. I'm gonna, but stove is almost get ready. I'm gonna just brush it with a little bit oil. Okay, so I lighten with the butter a little bit, oil, whatever you like. And just put this on. And just take a little small spatula. Or you can do with the kachi, whatever you're pouring with. Just spread it around. Let's put a little bit onion, peppers, dhania, and a little bit ginger. Alright, so you can put anything you like, any veggies. And I have a little bit cauliflower. Adding that on. And just cover it for a minute. It's on medium heat, so you don't want to put too high, it will burn it. Let it cook slowly. There you go. So I'm going to take it, let it look cook. You can see, left it a little bit like that. This bottom is cooked. There you go. So it's all ready. So I'm just going to take it out. And here, and ready to serve. There you go. Alright, so there you go. This is done. You can serve with the dhania, padina chutney or imli chutney or ketchup if the kids like. You can serve with anything. It's so delicious and so healthy. And you go taste it. And you tell me.
Looks like dosa.
Look like dosa, yeah. It's very tasty. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah? And very easy to make.
Yeah, this is really good.
Mmm.
Tastes good with the veggies.
Yeah. It's healthy, right? And it's good for breakfast,
Good.
lunch, or snack. Anytime you guys can have it. Even for dinner too if you guys like. Alright, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please remember to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.